Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to make this pretty long dangling earring with very few things, and for this we will need this drop shaped plastic ring, this thread, golden ball chain, stone string and then kundan stone. This fabric glue and these tools, a scissor, a plier and a cutter. So let's start. So first of all, take this thread and wrap it around your forefinger and take its 50 round. After taking about 50 rounds, take it out from your finger and cut it from here. Now take this drop shape ring and put this thread here. Separate all the threads properly so that it should not overlap. Now tie this to make a proper tassel. Now cut this thread. Apply some glue. And stick it properly. And apply some glue here also, so that it should not move from its place. Now take this stone string and measure it. Cut it from here. Cut one more piece of same length. Now take this ball chain and cut two pieces of this also of same length. Now apply some fabric glue here. And first of all, stick this stone string. Then this ball string. One more golden ball string. And this stone string. After sticking, hold it tightly for few minutes and let it dry for 10 to 15 minutes. After it get dried up properly, fix this earpin hook. Open its loop. Insert in this hole. And close this loop properly. Now cut these threads in level. Now apply fabric glue here. And start sticking this kundan stone. For picking up this kundan stone, take a toothpick and apply a little glue on its tip. It will make picking up this stone easy. So after sticking all the stone, it's looking like this. Let it dry for 20 to 30 minutes. After it gets completely dried up, our earring is looking like this. So friends, if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get notification of our upcoming videos. Thank you.